Um, Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I'm here this afternoon because I wanted to do a code review with you. The reason why I'm doing this code review is because I watched a video called Hill Climbing Algorithm in Artificial Intelligence, and when I watched the video, in the video they actually coded the algorithm. And so I wrote down the code as they were coding it. And then this morning I got up and then I typed up the code that they had coded. And guess what? It didn't work. So I still wanted to do the hill climbing algorithm. And so what I did was I had to search the internet, and I found one hill climbing algorithm which still didn't work, but I found this hill climbing algorithm that I'm using here, and I did actually get it to work. So I wanted to go ahead and do a code review on it. And as you can see, this is the website that I got this hill climbing algorithm from. So I'm just taking a few notes that I'll go over before I go over the code review. So a hill climbing in its most simplest form is a genetic algorithm. A genetic algorithm is a search heuristic that is inspired by Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. This algorithm reflects the process of natural selection, where the fittest individuals are selected for reproduction in order to produce offspring of the next generation. Okay, now we have the question of how does hill walking work? So basically, how you get hill walking to work is, number one, you start with an empty or random solution called the best solution. Two, you make a copy of the solution and mutate it slightly. 3, you evaluate the new solution. If it is better than the best solution, then replace it with the new solution. And 4, go to step 2 and repeat. So that's how hill walking works. So the hill climbing or hill walking algorithm is composed of 3 functions. The first function is create random solution. The second function is create solution and return score. And the third solution is mutable solution in a random way. So those are just some little notes that I have taken on the hill climbing algorithm. And now what we'll do is we'll go over a code review for this. And I did get this to work. The code review on that one video that I watched, it didn't work. And then the code review for a second code that I found, it didn't work either. But the code did rework on this website that I found, and so that's why I'm reviewing that one. So the first thing that we do is we import the libraries that we're going to want to use, and in this instance we import random and string. So the next thing we want to do is we want to import our 3 functions that are going to be used in the program. So def generate random solution. It says length equals 13. Return random.choice string.printable for underscore in range length. The next, and that was your first algorithm, being the create random solution. The next algorithm, which is evaluate solution and return score, is def evaluate solution, target equals list hello world, and what list hello world does is it takes hello world and it converts it to a list. Diff equals 0 for I in range, len target. S equals solution, I in brackets. T equals target, I in brackets. Diff equals diff plus absolute value of the ordinal S minus the ordinal T. And ordinal is where you take a letter and you convert it to a numeric value. The next function that we have is mutate solution, and you're going to mutate it in a random way. So def mutate solution, solution index equals random, randint 0, then solution -1, solution index in brackets equals random.choice string printable. And then now we're going to go ahead and go into the program. Best equals generate random solution. Best score equals evaluate best. And then now we're going to put the algorithm in a loop, a while loop. So while true, print best score so far, best score, solution, join best. If best score equals 0, you break, so that ends the while loop. New solution equals list best, mutate solution, new solution. Score equals evaluate new solution. If evaluate new solution is less than best score, best equals new solution, best score equals score. And so now what we've done is we've done all this. We've run it up. So you can see how we've run everything up. So you started out with the best score so far was 394, and it says if evaluate new solution is less than best score, best equals new solution, best score equals score. So we started out with 394, and then we had one that was 364, we had one that was 343, 301, 259, and it just goes all the way down, and it keeps running until you get to the very end. And so so far the best score is 0, and the solution is best score, and that's what it wants to see. And so it says that when you get to 0, what it does is it breaks out of the loop. So that's your hill climbing algorithm. I'm really glad that I learned it, and we use Hello World for it, but we can try something else. Target equals list, we can say CRYSTAL HELLO, comma, space CRYSTAL. So that's going to be 14, I think. So let me just say that. HELLO, comma, space WORLD. Try to make that 15. Let me just try this again. HELLO, space, comma, space WORLD. So we're going to give this a try. I know with Hello World it was 13, and we're trying Hello Crystal and see what it happens. Because the length is the length of the string. So it ran it. And it ended with a 0 where Hello Crystal, so it did actually work. So we tried it on something other than Hello World, and it did actually work. So that's good. So I think that concludes this code review. I hope you like it, and you certainly got the code for it. and I look forward to making more code reviews for you in the future. I would like to thank all of my subscribers for supporting my channel, and if you like this channel, please like, subscribe, and share.